Love motorcycles that stand the test of time, machines built to outlast trends, technology, and riders alike. Welcome to Biker Crazy, the channel for riders who live and breathe two wheels. Here, we go beyond the showroom gloss. We dive deep into the engines that became legends, the cruisers that defined eras, and the stories behind the bikes that just refused to die. These aren't just machines, they're culture, their history, their freedom distilled into steel and chrome. If the sound of a V-twin at idle makes your heart skip, if you respect the engineering brilliance of Japanese cruisers, or if you just love motorcycle history told with zero fluff and all passion, hit subscribe right now and join the growing Biker Crazy community of riders keeping these legends alive. Every video here is a ride into the soul of motorcycling, from the iconic engines that shaped generations to the factory customs and timeless cruisers that became instant classics. We don't just recite specs, we tell the stories, break down the engineering, and celebrate the culture that keeps these bikes on the road decade after decade. Because motorcycles aren't just transport, they're therapy on two wheels. They're a connection to something raw, real, and timeless. And that's why I built Biker Crazy, to share that obsession, that passion with riders who get it. So, subscribe to Biker Crazy and join the ride. New deep dives every week. Together, let's keep the rumble alive, the stories rolling, and these legendary machines where they belong, out on the open road.